Yep, bafethu, sanibonani bafethu. As you know, bafethu, yeah, Butami is a football what I don't know who yini. But let's be honest, bafethu. Abomkhulis, they never fitted. Like Mkhulis ube youngsters for 10 years. I've been saying lento le. Yabo ukuthi Mkhulisi is been a youngster for 10 years. Kunini ay youngsters Mkhulisi. Kunini. Masingaba honest bafethu, without ukuthi Sundowns iyambhentsha or kunini umkhulisa youngsters sukela 2014 he's been given chance too many times bafethu, every year uyanika i-chance umkhulisa but he can't perform. And futhi into efanele siyibheke bafethu, ungitshela ukuthi wena ungadlala ngomkhulisa ubhentshi u-Allende? You can't, because iposition yakamkhulisa ile idlala u-Allende lapha, idlala uThemba Zwane, idlala uTebogo Mokoena. So you can't ukuthi ubhenshe u-Allende noThemba Zwane noMokoena udlalise umkhulisi just because dala khona eklabhini. Ayenzeki njalo. Kuno-goalkeeper bathi uRiyad Peterson we-Sundowns. That guy iyaphela isizini angadlalanga 90 minutes but aka-complain and no one is complaining. But because I'm a fan we-Pirates abobani aboThami, they want to destabilize i-team ye-Sundowns. You know into engiyinakile, Thami will never post about the situation yakaSaleng or anyone or journalist e-South Africa. They won't post about uSaleng. They always post about ama-player we-Sundowns, ama-player we-Chiefs, but they don't post ama-player we-Pirates. Ungabuza manje ukuthi why uSibisi angadlali ku-Pirates. Angithi uwine i-award ye-defender of the season but akadlali ku-Pirates. Nangu uMfukeng bathi u-injured. Mfukeng is not injured. We all know Mfukeng is not injured. Mfukeng wants to leave. It's the same situation as Saleng. They are doing what they did to Saleng to Mfukeng. And the journalist are quiet. Ungambuza uThami uthi kanti kuyenzekelani ngoSaleng. Uzokutshela ukuthi he's been sent to loan but angeke akutshele ukuthi i-Pirates i-trigger i-contract yakhe before imsenda ku-loan. I-extende i-contract shuthi uSaleng uzodlala ku-Pirates until 2027 ngoJune. And cabanga ngeke asaligcoka ijezi le-Pirates mara usayine i-contract until 2027. And if iphela 2027, if uSaleng njengoba basho bathi uhola less than 20,000 after tax, that means uzothola imali encane abo-17,000 up until aze abe na-30 years. That's when azocala ukuba nemali if uzosayina i-contract ne-team eya ku-P_S_L, yabo. And knowing very well ukuthi i-Pirates idila kanjani, they will blackball uSaleng. They will blackball uSaleng. Why uSaleng angadlali yini le yini le kuBafana Bafana? Why? But uSibisi akadlali ku-Pirates mara uyadlala kuBafana Bafana. Akadlali ku-starting 11 se-Pirates mara kuBafana Bafana uyadlala uSibisi. Why uSaleng angadlali? Or is because kunomuntu o-advise uHugo Broos ukuthi angasambizi uSaleng abize uNkotha? Mara angeke azisho uThami lezo zinto or anyone who support the-Pirates, they won't say it. They will always hide ukuthi bona they deal nama-player ngendlela enjani, yabo. When will uThami aposte ngoSenzo Meyiwe ukuthi with all the financial muscle i-Pirates enayo bahluleke ukunceda uSenzo Meyiwe? Ningadlali ngathi nina. Ningadlali ngathi. Ningadlali ngathi. Pirates has all the financial resources yokuthi ngabe bamnceda uSenzo Meyiwe, umama kaSenzo Meyiwe. Mara ngeke, why angaphosti ngazo lezo zinto uThami? But it's quick to post ngabanye abantu ukuthi hey abadlali abomkhulisi, i-Kaizer Chiefs wara wara. Mara izinto efaneke ngabe uphosta ngazo update amafeni we-Pirates akazifaki, akazifaki. Hawu, izinto ukuthi ngabe uyaphosta ukuthi uTeko Mliso why angazi-concede njenge-Pirates legend. Why? It's because uyazi ukuthi Pirates idila ngomuthi, yabo. I-Pirates idila kanjani? AboTeko Mliso ba-struggle-ishile after basuka ku-Pirates bayojoyina i-Sundowns ukuthi bathole ama-national call-up. Yo, 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 yo. Mkhulisi is getting paid lapha ku-Sundowns. Myekeni lo mfana ningaze nimdistebhalayize. Angikezwa umkhulisi mina athi i-Sundowns ingiphethe kabi, angikaze. If umnikazi wendaba angakhulumi, why wena ufuna ukukhuluma? Why? Ngoba siyanitshela sithi ne-agent lakaSaleng limkhohlisile because lisaba ukuthi lizophula i-relationship enayo ne-Pirates, yabo. Ungamamela i-agent lakaSaleng uzozwa ukuthi alidifendi uSaleng, lidifendi i-Pirates. But angeke abhale ngaso i-time, thina sizokhuluma ngayo sizi-expose. Angithi thina asisapoti i-Next vele, siyakhuluma nje indaba, asisabi lutho futhi. Danko.